If you're not okay with rejection, don't even try to be part of this industry.
Amazing, agreed.
Backlash for a film like that, but I really enjoyed it, and I think it was Animal.
Animal, oh
Yeah.
my
I know
god.
there was a lot of backlash. मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे producers के साथ काम किया है जो एक अच्छे experiences रहे हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे producers हैं जो थोड़े से eccentric और पागल हैं. It's become less right now because my son and me fight over it, and generally he wins and he's on the video game more than me. But I'm obsessive. Like कभी-कभी मैं scenes देखता हूँ and I feel like yeah, I want to clap for myself.
Oh my god.
I have to say that part of me is there, but a lot of my scenes I'm like, oh, this could have been better. It's a bit of a play of that.
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya, and today we have with us the versatile, the charismatic and extremely super talented actor Imran Hashmi here with us. So glad to have you.
Thank
Welcome
you.
to Instant
Nice being
Bollywood.
here. Thank you.
I really loved your dialogues and really loved
Thank
your
you,
performance.
thank you.
As always, I have seen your trailer in the Showtime and
Ji.
already in love with your performance.
Thank you.
So I want to ask you that do you somehow relate to your Raghu Khanna is back? So Raghu Khanna के बारे में आप कुछ बोलना चाहोगे? Is like do you somehow relate to the character?
I think the only place I would relate to Raghu Khanna is the passion for movies. वो एक starting point है जो I think एक commonality है. I got into this industry because I loved films. I loved the whole process of entertaining the audience. जो पूरा process होता है आपकी film बनाने से लेकर release, वो adulation बटोरना फिल्मों को लेकर, the rush of a film being successful, or sometimes it's a risky proposition.
Yeah.
और पता नहीं किस तरह accept होगी या reject होगी.
Yeah.
I think that play is something I think there's a certain common ground. लेकिन रघु खन्ना वहाँ ही I think similarities खत्म हो जाती हैं. I think रघु खन्ना की बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो when I read on this script also I felt that it's a little difficult to kind of accept
Yeah.
a person who is not very not easily likable
Yes.
character. Unethical है. I wouldn't ever be unethical in our business. मैं ambitious हूँ. That
Yeah.
again that's a similarity.
Exactly.
But मैं उस हद तक नहीं जाऊँगा कि I want to destroy the people's career to get ahead, which रघु खन्ना है.
Exactly.
So yeah.
Okay. And also you're playing as a producer in this show.
Yes.
So आपका कहीं makers को देखने का perspective change हुआ while working in this
नहीं
project?
चेंज तो नहीं हुआ. मुझे तो हमेशा पता है, पर मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव इज वेरी क्लियर अबाउट मेकर्स एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स. मेरी आई हैव हैड द गुड फॉर्च्यून, मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोड्यूसर्स के साथ काम किया है जो एक अच्छे एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं जो थोड़े से एसेंट्रिक और पागल हैं. ऐसे किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में आप देखें तो डिफरेंट मिक्स बैग ऑफ पीपल. ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स भी हैं. कभी कभी एक इट्स अ वंडरफुल टाइम वर्किंग द डायरेक्टर, समटाइम्स इज द नाइटमेयर बिकॉज़ द
it
काइंड
is.
ऑफ पर्सनालिटीज आर देयर.
Exactly. True.
बट आप एक जर्नी पर हैं, एक सफ़र है जहाँ पे आप एक फिल्म को बना रहे हैं और एक सिंगल माइंडेडली उस चीज़ को यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट इट टू द ऑडियंस.
Yeah.
बट वो क्लैरिटी तो हमेशा से थी. किस तरह हमने इसको अडेप्ट किया है इस शो में टू मेक इट मोर एंटरटेनिंग फॉर द ऑडियंस. इट गिव्स यू अ ट्रूथ कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री किस तरह है. यहाँ इडियोसिंक्रेसीज, इसेंट्रिसिटीज किस तरह हैं हमारे एक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर्स की. यहाँ की रिलेशनशिप्स किस तरह हैं.
Exactly.
यहाँ पे कोई परमानेंट रिलेशनशिप्स तो है नहीं.
So true.
फ्राइडे के फ्राइडे रिलेशनशिप्स बदलते हैं विद सक्सेस एंड फेलियर.
Yeah.
सो I think I was very clear.
Exactly. And obviously you have been in the industry and you have said the success and failure. So मेरे दिमाग में एक question आया कि how have you dealt with the failures whenever you have faced it in the industry? What's your motivation?
It's tough. When a film is not successful, you have to take it on your chin. आपको accept करना पड़ता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपके best intentions के साथ आपने एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाई थी, लेकिन वो शायद कंज्यूम इस तरह, जब एक ऑडियंस का भी अलग पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, you can't really debate that perspective क्योंकि वो पैसे ले रहे हैं फिल्म देखने के लिए, और जो आप बनाना चाहते थे शायद वो उस तरह नहीं बनी, वो देखना चाहते थे. उनका टेस्ट कुछ अलग था उस वक्त. सो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट एंड यू हैव टू ब्रश इट ऑफ. अगर आप उस चीज़ को अपने दिमाग में रखोगे और खींचते चले जाओगे तो आपका करियर ज़्यादा इस to win here you can't be a sprinter. You can't be a 100-meter sprinter. You have to be a marathon runner.
Yes.
और अगर आपको एक मैराथन रनर रहना है तो एक सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ यहाँ पे सक्सेस रेट नहीं है, हाउ टू मैनेज योर फेलियर्स.
Yes.
अगर आप फेलियर्स को ठीक तरह से मैनेज नहीं कर पाओगे तो इट्स नॉट अ बिजनेस फॉर यू.
Agreed. And also once again, have you ever felt, since so many years, have you ever felt that cinema kind of need a change? Organic थोड़ा रहना चाहिए.
All the time.
All the time.
I think cinema should always be evolving.
Yeah.
वक्त के साथ. You know, as years go by, you know, there's a young audience that comes on the foray. और उनके टेस्ट चेंज होते हैं. उन बदलती टेस्ट के साथ आपको भी कहीं खुद को रीइन्वेंट करना चाहिए. सिनेमा शुड रीइन्वेंट इटसेल्फ. एंड वैसे ही हो रहा है, क्योंकि अगर आप पिछले 10 साल में देखें विद द एडवेंट ऑफ OTT, इतने सारी कहानियाँ, such young filmmakers, dynamic filmmakers and storytellers have come on the foray और इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. Theatrical, I would still say we're playing a little safe and formulaic, जहाँ तक theatrical सवाल है. जब हम वहाँ पे भी रिस्क लेना शुरू करेंगे, कुछ नया करने की चाह होगी, at the same time have certain commercial trappings in the film for a theatrical viewing, I think वो business भी फिर से उसी तरह boom करेगी जिस तरह pre-COVID time में था. But I think like any business, you have to go through a bit of a lull phase, learn from the audience and evolve.
Exactly.
I think हम एक evolution phase में हैं for the theatrical part of it. I think OTT is doing pretty well for itself.
And OTT has a kind of more of a exposure. Yeah. And is there any particular movie, I'm curious to know that, is there any particular movie, specific movie that you really wished to do it?
Any specific film that I wish to do? I know there's a lot of backlash for a film like that, but I really enjoyed it, and I think it was Animal.
Oh my God.
I know there was a lot of backlash for the film. I understand what that was for, but मैं generally फिल्मों को सिर्फ एक audience के तौर पर देखता हूँ. I didn't want to get into the details of, you know, of course, a lot of things questionable about the way the film was made. But as a journey, I think the director really had a very, very different vision. जिस तरह उन्होंने film को mount किया. There was nothing that you could compare to the film, that film to anything before. And I appreciate that for a filmmaker to go out and do something daringly different. I really enjoyed it.
Okay. And also, what's that one piece of advice that any known person or any celebrity has given to you till now, and that have changed your mind, changed the perspective? That was a turning point basically for you.
I don't know if there was any one particular person, but it was just my journey of learning that you can't let both success and failure sway you. You just have to keep moving and evolving and learning. Be here for that process of learning, and you know, success and failure is part and parcel of it.
Yeah.
Don't even come in over here with this. Of course, fame and money is all that is important.
Yes.
But ultimately, it's your craft.
Exactly.
Money and fame will follow. मैंने पहले 10 साल में, I'll be very honest, at that time I was young. There was only one thing, you know, आपको पैसे कमाने हैं. You love the allure of fame. But आहिस्ता you start realizing that, you know, you have to work on the craft for certain longevity over here.
Okay.
वो मैंने सीखा.
Exactly. Well, इतने सारे iconic scenes हैं आपके, like you were everywhere, and I want to ask you, do you want to redo any your particular iconic scene and want you somehow change it?
Any of my iconic scenes?
Yeah.
I think the dialogue that you said, सारी दुनिया राख की तरफ नीचे, I might have said it, people liked it, but probably इतने experience के बाद मैं शायद उस scene को थोड़ा better करता भी.
Improvise कर.
Yeah, I would done a little better because वही तो चीज़ है.
Yeah.
You kind of you have a certain experience in your life, in your career, and then after that you look back and you look at your past performances and feel, oh my God, the dialogue delivery could have been better than that. Maybe the emotion could have been a little bit spot on. So.
Okay. And जब भी आप खुद को देखते हो on screen में, have you ever felt insecurity or like somehow like I should have been more better?
All the time.
All the time.
I think you know, ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm so self-critical. कभी-कभी मैं scenes देखता हूँ and I feel like, yeah, I want to clap for myself.
Oh my God.
I have to say that part of me is there, but a lot of my scenes I'm like, oh, this could have been better. It's a bit of a play of that. You know, कभी-कभी, you know, there's so many dynamics. आप जब set पे काम कर रहे हैं, उस environment में what was the emotion at that time? It's a chaotic place, a film set.
Yes.
You might move in and go in front of the camera, certain emotions, but when the camera comes on and there's this indisciplined environment,
Yeah.
sometimes you go off, and sometimes you're not even feeling right on that day.
Oh my God.
So you just look back and you're like, okay, maybe.
Yeah, but I truly feel that no one can match your vibe. Like you are.
Thank you.
somehow- Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. And also, who do you think is an actor or actress who have recently entered the industry?
Recently come into the industry and they feel they can rule the industry. I'm sorry, you know, the thing is, I
You haven't watched.
don't watch so many films, but you know, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people. You know, the thing is with new talent, I think उनका जो एक environment जिसमें वो उनकी शुरुआत हुई थी, there's so much that they have learned from a starting point.
Yes.
Like for me, getting into the films, I think I see youngsters these days.
Okay.
They are so spot on. I probably and a lot of people from my generation learned on the job through years,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
अभी तो लोग आ रहे हैं line में and they have had certain memory bank of films on OTT and they have seen world cinema. When I was growing up, I mean, I'm an 80s kid. You know, you didn't have that kind of worldview of so much of
Yeah.
cinema. So that starting point for them is way ahead.
Okay. And lastly, one piece of advice that you would love to give to the outsiders who want to enter the industry, to want to become famous, to show the talent.
I would say that don't run after fame, don't run after the money. आप अपने craft पे काम कीजिए, and it's a tough journey. The industry is not a place for the faint-hearted. It's a very tough line. It's a very ruthless line.
Yeah.
You have to be a little thick-skinned over here. You can't be too sensitive about things,
yeah.
right? The rejection is part and parcel. If you're not okay with rejection, don't even try to be part of this industry.
Amazing, agreed. And also, many people don't know how are you in person. So let's do a quick segment called Let's Get to Know Imran Hashmi More.
Okay.
One thing that you want to completely change about you.
One thing that I want to completely change about me. I think sometimes I get a little lazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More so earlier, but I think now I'm not that much. But still, there are elements of
Okay.
still a few elements of lazy.
Yeah, I guess
lazy,
most of
yeah.
the people can relate to
Yeah,
you. Who is your 3 a.m. friend?
3 a.m. friend. A lot of them, because I think most of my friends are up at that time.
Okay.
I am fast asleep. I'm
Okay.
an early. I go to bed early.
Okay.
But right now, you know, we've reached a point of time in our lives where they probably would have been 3 a.m. friends before they had their kids.
Okay, yeah.
And when the kid
agree.
is just 1 or 2 years old, because
Oh,
kids get up at 1 or 2.
exactly.
But right now, I think no one's a 3 a.m. friend. And I think all their phones are off
Yes.
at
yes.
3 a.m. Yeah.
Well, what's the first thing that you do when you wake up?
I've been started doing something that's it's not good, but I've started, the first thing I go is open the phone and check Instagram,
Oh.
which is not good. I try to stay away from it as
Okay.
much as I can,
Same.
but it's become a habit.
Yes.
Yeah.
One director you're currently manifesting to work with?
Sandeep Reddy Vanga,
Sandeep Reddy. Okay. Animal Part 2.
one habit that I'm trying to get rid of. My obsessive nature about what I eat.
Okay.
Yeah, it's reached a very obsessive. It's not good to be that obsessive about
Yes.
counting calories. Yeah.
Yes. And also, what's your like go-to happy place? Whenever you like bus ho gaya, mujhe refreshment
My go-to
chahiye.
happy place is any trip out. Like I have.
Beach person or mountain?
I'm more of a beach person.
Okay.
I'm more of a beach person, and I love traveling. So actually, this is the time of the year that we generally travel a lot. So it could be to a new place,
Yeah.
to explore a new place. Yeah, that's my happy place.
Okay.
Travel.
One fun fact about you that many people don't know.
I'm actually an obsessive video gamer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
god.
become less right now because my son and me fight over it, and generally he wins and he's on the video game more than me. But I'm obsessive. Like when I get down playing, I've actually played for straight up 8 hours.
Okay.
So that's how. So it's not good. That's why with work, after work, you know, you
Well,
can't
that's good.
afford to.
I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite dialogue from any particular movie of yours?
Many dialogues.
I really want you to say it again.
I know I forget dialogues. With all the, I know that I'm known for these dialogues
Yeah.
in my movies, but I tend to forget lines. There's one thing in Jannat that I remember: no car, no pyar, which is a and जो आदमी रिस्क नहीं लेता उसका सब कुछ रिस्की हो जाता है. So that's probably one line, but otherwise, jeez man, I've forgotten all the lines. Forgotten all the
Amazing,
lines.
amazing. Who's your favorite co-actress that you really want to reunite again with the project?
Malika Sherawat.
Last question. If not an actor, what would you be?
Oh, a whole host of things. I actually in school wanted to be at one point of time a pilot.
Oh.
I wanted to get into graphics and animation and VFX in movies.
Oh my God.
At one point of time, I wanted to get into hotel management and open up my own hotel or restaurant
Oh my
at one
God.
point. So a lot of things.
Nice.
Different-
I was
different
expecting
things.
director because you
Different.
have also directed.
I,
dramas.
after assisting in one film, I realized direction is not for me. Too much work.
Oh yes.
Too
Thank
much of a
you.
commitment for like a long time. Not that disciplined.
yeah, really, really nice having you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much
Nice being here.
for Instant Bollywood, and thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
joining.
Thank you so much. Thank you.